a flower.
Is it same like what we thought about?
Yeah.
Yeah. Chalo, let's put it on the wall. Myra, what are you doing?
I'm pretend playing. But I don't have enough space for all of them.
All of them? All of your toys?
Yeah. They don't fit.
They don't fit here?
Yeah.
Let's build a toy wall.
Okay.
How do you want your toy wall?
I'm like a flower.
Flower?
Yeah.
Should we draw it here?
Yeah. Okay, I'm making a flower.
You want it like a flower?
Yeah.
Let me draw it.
This is how we draw a flower. What is that?
I'm drawing a flower.
Like a hexagon?
Yes.
That sounds different.
No, that's like a flower.
Oh. That's not a flower,
It
Dada.
looks like a flower.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, it's a bit.
See? And then what we can do here is we can have a platform here
What is that?
where your toys can go. Your toys can stay here like a platform. Okay, let's make it. Yes?
Yeah.
Myra, I have all the pieces.
Oh, yeah.
See?
It looks like this.
It looks like that?
Yeah.
Yes, that's how we printed it.
Like in the middle.
Yes. Okay, let's join it.
Okay. I want to join it. We can either put it like this and join it.
Let's join it.
Okay. Look at me. Thank you.
Yes.
Crisscross applesauce. Ha. It fell down. Oh, it fell down. Oh, you did it. I can't do it.
You can. Keep doing. Now you fix one.
Like this.
Like that, yes. Yes. See? Good job.
I got one more.
Hello, put it. It's done.
Yeah. It looks the same.
It looks the same, right?
Look at me. I am a flower.
Chalo, should we put it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay. Yours need to hold it.
Leave it. You're done.
Yeah. Okay, I put my toys. Bingo's back. Bluey's going with Bingo. Because Bluey's her sister. Where's Muffin? Muffin. Okay, socks.
Wait.
Where does he go? Oh, left! Chili, doo-doo.
You have added all two together.
Yeah.
Like two.
Yeah, this is now with here, and this is Bluey and Bingo. This is Bandit. This is Whiskey, and this is Chili, and this is Trixie. And this is Muffin and Socks, and this is Olaf.
Olaf? What is Olaf doing with all of them?
Because I love Olaf, he's in Frozen.
He's in Frozen?
Yeah.
But he's not with Bluey. What is he doing with all of them? He's silly.
That's okay.
Okay.
Also, Elsa and Olaf and Anna are my favorite.
Okay. Now we have made a toy wall, right? We can expand this as well. Whenever we have more toys, we can add more leaves to the flower.
Yeah.
We can add more hexagons to the flower. Yeah?
Hexagons.
Hexagon? What is a hexagon?
This.
How many sides do a hexagon have?
6.
6. And what about triangle?
3.
3, right. Okay, let's go.
And squares have 4.
Of course, squares have 4. Yeah. Good, it looks nice now. Huh?
I could play with them.
What do you want to tell others?
I have a toy wall. Click like.
Yeah.
And also, I'll tell my friends I have a toy wall.
Yeah, you have a toy wall now.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.